Hello class 6 students, I am your math teacher Nitin. In today's lecture 3, we will start polygons, okay? We will study about polygons, different type of polygons, right? Now, you are familiar with polygon. What is polygon, students? A polygon is any closed figure, okay? What is polygon? A closed figure by line segment. A closed figure by line segment. कोई भी क्लोज फिगर हो जो लाइन सेगमेंट से बनती है, क्लोज फिगर, दैट इज नोन एज पॉलीगन. स्टूडेंट्स, इजी. नाउ वी हैव डिफरेंट टाइप ऑफ पॉलीगन्स डिपेंडिंग अपॉन द लाइन सेगमेंट्स, ओके? डिफरेंट टाइप ऑफ पॉलीगन. Different type of polygon depending upon line segment, okay? Now the first one is triangle. So what is a triangle? A triangle is a line segment which polygon which has 3 line segments. See, हमारे पास 3 line segment है स्टूडेंट, AB, BC and AC, okay? We have 3 line segments, AB, BC and AC. Clear, students? So a triangle is a line segment. A triangle is a polygon. A triangle is a polygon which has 3 line segments. Now, what is a quadrilateral now? Quadrilateral. Quadrilateral is a line segment, students. Quadrilateral is a polygon okay, A, B, C and D. Now a quadrilateral is a polygon which has 4-sided figure. 1, 2, 3, 4. AD side कौन सा हमारे पास? AD, then AB, then BC and then CD. So we have 4 sides and these 4 sided are AD, AB, BC and CD. So this is a quadrilateral, okay? 4 line segments. Now a pentagon. Pentagon. What is pentagon, students? Penta means 5. This word pent means 5. 5 line segments से जो मेरा closed figure बनता है, that is known as pentagon, students. Now see 1, 2, 3, 4 and this is 5. So 1, name them A, B, C, D and E. Okay, so we have 5 side here, AB, BC, CD, ED and AE. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we have 5 side here. So this figure is known as pentagon. Clear, students? Good. Now a figure with 6 side is known as hexagon. Okay? Hexagon. A figure with 6 line segment is hexagon, and with 7 line segment is septagon, and with 8 line segment is octagon, 9 line segment nonagon, and with 10 line segment decagon. Okay, so do remember the name of these polygon. Okay, जितना साइड होगा वैसे इसका नेम होगा. ट्राइंगल 3 साइड, क्वाड्रिलेटरल 4 साइड, पेंटागन 5 साइड, हेक्सागन 6 साइड, सेप्टागन 7 साइड, ऑक्टागन 8 साइड, नैनागन 9 साइड एंड डेकागन इज 10 साइडेड फिगर. ओके, तो एटलीस्ट 1 से लेकर के 10 तक, 3 से लेकर के 10 तक आपको लर्न होना चाहिए. क्लियर है? गुड. Now students, we will start our exercise 11.4. Okay, now come to the question. Examine which of the following are the polygons and state reason. अगर नहीं है तो आपको उसका रीजन देना है स्टूडेंट. ओके, नाउ कम टू द फर्स्ट वन. फर्स्ट वन इज A. Yes, it is a polygon. Okay. Yes. Why? Three-sided figure है close. Now B. Again yes. C. No. Why no? Because line segment नहीं है. Two line segments हैं. The third line is the curved line. Is curved line. Curved line वाला तो होता ही नहीं है. पॉलीगन नहीं होता ना. थ्री लाइन सेगमेंट चाहिए. बट इन द थर्ड फिगर इट इज कर्व्ड लाइन. फिगर हमारा कैसा बना हुआ है? इस टाइप से बना हुआ है. सो लाइन सेगमेंट ये भी ठीक है, ये भी ठीक है, बट ये ठीक नहीं है बिकॉज इट इज कर्व्ड लाइन. क्लियर? नाउ डी. अगेन इट इज नो. व्हाई? बिकॉज नो लाइन सेगमेंट आर देयर. कर्व्ड लाइन का फिगर हम नहीं मानते हैं. कर्व्ड लाइंस नहीं चाहिए, स्ट्रेट लाइन सेगमेंट चाहिए. ठीक है. ई. यस इट इज पॉलीगन. वाई? ऑल लाइन सेगमेंट्स आर देयर. क्लियर? नाउ एफ. एफ अगेन इट इज नो. वाई? बिकॉज इट इज नॉट क्लोज्ड. नॉट क्लोज्ड. फिगर कैसा होना चाहिए? लाइन सेगमेंट से और क्लोज होना चाहिए. तो बट लाइन सेगमेंट्स तो हैं बट फिगर इज नॉट क्लोज्ड. जी. नो. सर्कल है. नो लाइन सेगमेंट. एच. इट इज एच एंड आई बोथ आर पॉलीगन. ओके. नाउ द लास्ट वन अगेन इट इज ओपन फिगर. The last one is it is not. It is J. Why no? Because the figure is not closed, students. Right? So question number 1 is done. Now come to question number 2. Name each of the following figure. You have to name the figure. Okay, student. The first one, three-sided figure is known as triangle. First one is triangle. The second one B. How many sides are there? Count in B student. 8-sided figure. It is octagon, students. Right? C. It is quadrilateral. Fourth side it is quadrilateral. D. Hexagon. E is pentagon. 5-side pentagon. F again quadrilateral. 4 side. G quadrilateral. H is also quadrilateral. F, I is quadrilateral and J is quadrilateral. Okay. So students, exercise 11.4 is completed. Do each and every questions of exercise 11.4 neatly in your copies, students. Your copies will be checked by the teachers. Right? Good. Now student, we will learn what is three-dimensional figure. Now student, we will learn three-dimensional figure. अब थ्री डायमेंशनल फिगर्स क्या होती है स्टूडेंट? अगर हमारे पास लेंथ है, ब्रेथ है एंड हाइट है, अगर ये तीन चीजें हैं किसी भी फिगर में, देन द फिगर इज नोन एज थ्री डायमेंशनल फिगर. ओके. Now students, before coming to 3D figure, I will tell you what is object. What is object, student? Solid object. In fact, solid object. A solid object means an object which has which has fixed shape and साइज। अगर किसी ऑब्जेक्ट का फिक्स्ड शेप है और साइज है तो हम बोलते हैं दिस इज अ सॉलिड ऑब्जेक्ट। क्लियर है स्टूडेंट्स? गुड। नाउ कम टू फेसेस, एजेस एंड वर्टेक्स। ये क्या टर्म्स हैं? नाउ स्टूडेंट, फेस, what is face of an object? Now suppose we have a 3-dimensional figure, आपके सामने ड्रॉ किया स्टूडेंट मैंने। ओके, दिस इज द 3-dimensional फिगर। नाउ व्हाट इज फेस? एक साइड ये पूरा फेस है स्टूडेंट। ओके, दिस इज नोन एज फेस। नाउ व्हाट इज एज? एज मीन्स दिस लाइन स्टूडेंट वेयर टू प्लेन मीट्स, दिस इज एज। देखो ऊपर वाला प्लेन और ये वाला प्लेन मीट कर रहा है इधर, दिस इज नोन एज एज। एक एज ये है, एक एज ये है, दिस इज ऑल्सो एन एज। ओके, नाउ व्हाट इज वर्टेक्स? जहां पे ये, दिस इज वर्टेक्स। ओके, वेयर टू लाइन सेगमेंट मीट्स, that is vertex. Okay, now we have various 3-dimensional figure. The number one is cuboid. What is cuboid student? Cuboid means अगर हमारे पास लेंथ है, ब्रेथ है एंड हाइट है, देन a given figure is a cuboid. Length, breadth और height अलग अलग होना चाहिए स्टूडेंट। I will draw figure here. This is a cuboid. This is length, this is breadth and this is height. Okay, दिस इज द क्यूबॉइड। ये जो हाइट हो गया, ये ब्रेथ हो गया एंड दिस इज लेंथ। नाउ हाउ मेनी फेसेस डज क्यूबॉइड हैव? काउंट देम, हाउ मेनी फेसेस क्यूबॉइड हैव? 1 2 3 4 5 6। इट हैज, वी कैन नेम देम A B C D E F G H। तो A G F E is the one face, A G F E। B C D H second face, A B C G third face, F G P E fourth face। Okay, A B H F 5 face and G C D E 6 face। So it has total how many faces? 6 faces students। Clear? कौन कौन से फेसेस हो गए? आई नेम देम A G E F फर्स्ट, A B C G सेकेंड, F G D E थर्ड, A F G B B C D H, all these are faces. Okay, now how many edges are there? Edges total there are 12 edges. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 4 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12, total 12 edges. Okay, now how many vertices? The plural of vertex is vertices. How many vertices student? 1 2 3 4 4 and 4 8, टोटल 12 हो जाएंगे स्टूडेंट्स। 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10, टोटल 8 वर्टिसेस हैं स्टूडेंट्स। 8 1 2 3 4 5, 6, 7, 8. Total 8 vertices are right. A cuboid has 6 faces, 12 edges and 8 vertices. Clear, students? Now there is a second figure, that is cube. क्यूब में क्या होता है स्टूडेंट? लेंथ, ब्रेथ एंड हाइट इज सेम. दिस इज क्यूब. ओके, लेंथ इज इक्वल टू ब्रेथ इज इक्वल टू height. All three length, breadth and height are equal in cube. Now how many faces are there in cube? Faces, again faces are same, 6 faces are there. Edges, how many edges are there? Edges again 12 edges. And what about vertex? Vertex are 8. Clear, students? The difference between cube and cuboid is cube has all length, breadth and height of equal length, of equal size, and a length is not equal to breadth, is not equal to height in cuboid. Clear? Good. Now student, we will discuss cylinder. Okay, what is cylinder? ये जो शेप होता है, दिस इज सॉर्ट ऑफ सिलेंडर. ये सिलेंडर का शेप है स्टूडेंट्स. ओके, नाउ इन सिलेंडर हाउ मेनी फेसेस वी हैव? फेस, एक फेस स्टूडेंट ये एक ही है, ओनली 2 फेस वी हैव, 2 सर्कुलर फेसेस, राइट? टॉप एंड बेस, ओनली 2 सर्कुलर फेसेस, राइट? Now vertex, कोई vertex नहीं है, vertex is absent, no vertex. And edges, two circular edges. A cylinder has 2 circular edges. Okay, students? Now what is the length? Height? Height. The height is the distance between the top and the base is known as the height. Distance between top and base is the height of the cylinder, right? Now sphere, students, come to the sphere. What is sphere? आपने देखा होगा ball. Ball is football, आपने देखा है. Football is the shape of, football is in the shape of sphere, right? Now face, what is the face of the sphere? A sphere has a curved face or surface. Curved face होता है इसका. No edge and no vertex. Sphere is such a figure in which there is no edge and no vertex, students, right? And जो face होता है that is curved. Clear है students? Good. Now student, we will learn about cone. What is cone, student? आपने कैप देखा है? This is cone, students, right? Now cone has how many faces? A cone has one plane face and one curved face. Plane face तो ऊपर वाला, one plane face, second one rectangular face, one circular face. Okay, now edges. नो एज एंड वर्टेक्स ओनली वन, टॉप पे ओनली वन वर्टेक्स। क्लियर है स्टूडेंट्स? नाउ कम टू प्रिज्म, ट्रायंगुलर प्रिज्म। ओके, ट्रायंगुलर प्रिज्म स्टूडेंट्स। सो ट्रायंगुलर प्रिज्म क्या होता है? This is a prism students. Now when we will talk about face, it has 1 to 2 triangular face, टू ट्रायंगुलर फेस, एक इधर है स्टूडेंट, एक बैक साइड में है, एंड 1 2 3 रेक्टेंगुलर फेस। ओके, वन ट्रायंगल, इधर ट्रायंगल बना हुआ है, एक इधर पीछे ट्रायंगल बना हुआ है स्टूडेंट। सो 1 to 2 triangular faces and below one this side and one other is rectangle, so 3 rectangular faces. Now edges, how many edges it has? It has 9 edges students, 9 edges. 9 edges, A, first, second, third, 4, 5, 6, 6 ऐसे बेटा एक उधर होगा ये वाला, 7, 8 and 9. Okay, total 9 edges. Now vertex, how many vertex? It has 6 vertex. 1 2 3 4 5 6. 1 2 3 4 5 and 6. Total 6 vertex. So this is prism student, right? Now come to the exercise students. Exercise 11.5, page number 147. Okay. Now students, come to the exercise 11.5. Now students, what we discussed in our theory सब अप्लाई होगा यहाँ पे, ठीक है? So you should revise the theory again. The first question is fill ups. Question number 1, fill in the blanks. Now an object which is fixed in dash and dash is called a solid. Shape and size. Okay, come to question number B part. Each side of a solid is a surface. Each side of a solid is a surface called a face. Right students? Two faces meet at a line segment. Where they meet? They meet at line segment. Two faces meet at a line segment called an edge. Okay. Now, three edges meet at a point is called a, जहाँ पे three edges meet करती हैं, that point is known as a vertex student. Okay, that point is known as a vertex. Come to the E part, that is fifth part. A cuboid has length, breadth and height. So do all rest of the questions on your own students, okay, and try true and false. They are very simple based on the theory part. You can easily do them. So complete your exercise 11.5, all the questions neatly in your copies students. Your copies will be checked by the teachers. Okay, bye bye, take care.